You're about to be an expert on all things Leo. You'll know the rulerships, the traits, the energy, and how to embody and activate the Leo energy that lies in every single one of us by the end of this video. Hi, I'm Alethea, your favorite mystic mentor, and I offer professional birth chart readings to clients to help them use the power of astrology to create the life of their wildest dreams. If you're interested in receiving one of these empowering astro-aligned birth chart readings, click the link in the description box to receive a reading from me. Now, let's learn everything you need to know about Leo. Leo is a fire sign, meaning they are passionate, they are inspiring, they are bold. Leo is also a fixed sign, meaning they are very loyal, they are very steady and consistent. Leo also is ruled by the 5th house, which in astrology is the house of creativity, of your actual creation, like your children, self-expression, and romance. Leo's ruling planet is the sun. The sun is the center of our universe, meaning Leo is like the center of attention, okay? They're also just like so life-giving, they're so warm, they are so big and so bold and so bright. Leo is also the lion, is their symbol. They are fierce, they are loyal, they are protective, they represent strength, which is actually the tarot card that rules Leo as well, is the Strength card, meaning fierceness, compassion, inner power, confidence. That's what I see when I pull the Strength card. They are a masculine sign, meaning they are outward expressing. They are more action oriented and assertive in situations rather than the more feminine, receptive, turned inward kind of energy. Leo rules the heart. And it's funny because they are like meant to be heart led. A really healthy, beautifully embodied Leo leads with their heart. They do things from love, from joy, from compassion. Leos like to do things big. Big hair, big energy, big presence. They're not here to play small. They are here to shine bright like the sun, to take up space, to be bold, to be loud, and to be proud. That is Leo. Leo wants to be center stage. They want to be seen. They want to be acknowledged. They want your validation, your attention, your love. They thrive off that. They love to be seen and they love to be appreciated. And if you are a Leo or you want to activate the Leo that lies in your chart, because we all have some Leo in us, whether there are planets there or not, you need to allow yourself to be seen, to be comfortable stepping up and being bold and being seen. Think like performer, storyteller, actor, theatrical performance. Like that is so Leo. The big dancer on the stage, okay? That is the energy that is Leo. So if you're wanting to embody that energy and activate that area of your chart, I highly recommend getting up, being seen, being bold, and being loud. Leos are loyal. They are like diehards for their loved ones. They are so generous and so affectionate. They love to love on other people. They love to shine their light onto others and help others recognize the light that is within them as well. They truly inspire just by being the bold, bright, beautiful star that they are. Leos are naturally confident. They're so confident, and for good reason too. Like they are magnetic. They pull people in with their energy and with their aura. They love, 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 love to be confident and to inspire confidence in others. And that truly is a superpower that Leo possesses and holds. Some of the magic of Leo, the gold, the beauty that they possess is that they always lead from the heart. They do what they do because they love to do it. Which, I love that energy. The love can carry you so far, can help you align with your purpose like no other. So that's one way. They can also uplift others with their spotlight, which we talked about earlier. Like, they can use the light that is naturally on them for good, to help others reach that level of success and awareness, and to really see others for who they are. It's beautiful energy. Another thing about Leos is they are confident and humble. They're not like over bragging, like thinking that they're hot shit. They can feel their confidence. They know themselves so well that they don't have to compare themselves to other people. They see themselves as an individual, and they see everyone else as an individual standing in their own unique power. Just so beautiful. So freaking gorgeous. That energy is like something I try to embody in every single day of my life. Oh, so good. Another great thing about Leo, a gold, magic, beautiful sign, is that they create for joy. They create from the energy of joy and from the energy of love. So good. So good. I know what you're thinking. How can I embody and activate this Leo energy? You told me all the things. Now, what can I do with this information? I'm gonna help you right here, right now. Let's learn how to embody and activate that Leo that sits within you. First, express yourself boldly in whatever way you choose. It could be fashion, it could be art, it could be your voice, it could be the way you move, you dance. Express yourself in a big, beautiful way. No trying to blend in and fit trends. I'm talking, do it from what feels good and what you love. Express yourself in that way. The next way to activate this energy is to make play a priority. Childlike play is a huge thing for Leos. Leos love to have fun. They love to play. It literally rules the house of children. So when we get into that energy of that childlike play, take time to do that every day or every week. And that will help you not only lead with your heart more and feel into that heart space, but it will also help you express yourself in an authentically real way. And it will help you be more joyous and to spread that joy with others, which is Leo energy AF. Next thing to activate and embody this Leo energy is to practice heart-led leadership. I'm saying get on stage, get on social media, and speak from your heart. Be a leader to others. Be that shining sun. That is what Leo is made to do. Lead from their heart. I would like you as a Leo to, or anyone, everyone's a little bit Leo, okay? Get a pen and paper. Here's a journaling prompt for you. I want you to write down everything that is on your heart. What do you love? What lights you up? What are you passionate about? Make a list of those things and then take it a step further and start to share these things in a big, bold way. Whether that be on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, in your community, with your friends. Lead with your heart. That's one way to do that. Next is to nourish your inner child, okay? Think of all the things you love to do at 7 years old and do some of those things. This is Inner Child Healing on 10. I made a video a while back, like over a year ago, I want to say, and it's all about inner child healing. That video is great for Leos to watch. I will link it here, possibly here. You can go watch that after this and get some ideas on how to heal your inner child. My love, I would love to invite you deeper into the Leo energy and all other zodiac archetypes with me for my free masterclass, Astro 101 Zodiac Signs. Go ahead and click the link in the description box to join in on the fun. It's so fun, it's so activating. You will leave this masterclass knowing how to fully embody and activate all 12 zodiac signs. I'm talking journaling prompts, daily practices, activation rituals, and so much more. If you're ready to work with the energy of the stars that live within you, I would love to see you live at this class. So one more time, click the link in the description box to RSVP. Thank you so much for shining a beautiful spotlight on Leo. I'm so excited to bring my sign. I have so much of this energy in me. Virgo next week. Like seriously, if you want Virgo, your girl. I'm gonna share with you every single thing Virgo next week. Go ahead, subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun. Like this video if it helped you, or if you found it joyful or fun or anything at all. And always, as always, go ahead and comment if you have any questions or comments or things that you want to bring to my attention or that we want to chat about. I will be in the comments hanging out with you. I love talking to you. I love getting to know you, and the comments is where it's at, okay? And as always, I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye.